So last week we had a blast in Las Vegas. If you didn't get a chance to see it, check out our previous video, Tours, Trikes, and Tasty Treats. It was a lot of fun staying in Vegas, having some Korean barbecue, and driving this fantastic three-wheel trike to the Red Rock Canyon. But this week we're going to do something a little closer to home and check out the Victor Valley Mojave RiverWalk bike trail. Join us for some fun and adventure. Hi, we're Reba and Klaus. We are in our 50s, married for 24 years, and we are looking to have some fun, do new things, and go on adventures. Well, no bungee jumping, cliff diving, or sailing across wide open seas. So maybe I shouldn't say adventures, but exploring. We like bike rides, beach days, and road trips, all while having a sip or two with some jazz playing along. So come and join us on a Sunday drive. So the Mojave RiverWalk opened in November of 2019. It is a Class 1 bike path that's 3.9 miles one way. It starts at Fish Hatchery Road near Victor Valley College, and it runs into the Mojave Narrows Regional Park. So this is my favorite part of the trail. It'll probably be beautiful when it's green. And then we're going to come out by the lake. So I realized while editing this video that I didn't tell you guys anything about our bikes. So they're both townies. Klaus's is a step over and mine's a step through. And then to give me a little bit of boost so that I can keep up with him on the trails, mine is an e-bike. So I have a battery that's attached to my bike that I can use to give me a little bit more assistance when going uphill or long distances. It doesn't ride for me, I still have to pedal, but this way I can keep up and enjoy longer rides. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I know it's kind of a short one this time, and make sure you like and subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks.